Greetings. HMI mini project topic for our group is online shopping website for electronics, that is mobiles and laptops. Our group members are myself, Girish and Amisha. We are from A4 batch. So this is the UI that we have designed. So first of all, the home page. The brand is distinct and identifiable. There are multiple modes of navigation. The UI is intuitive with good use of color combination that is easy on the eyes. The product catalog that is displayed is not cluttered and is properly categorized. Along with proper theme, the page has a proper contrast with the foreground and the background. The carousel that is displayed for advertisement purposes is less distracting as it uses images without any flashy textual background. And then we have a footer which contains a sitemap and other intuitive options that have been included for smooth browsing purposes. For easy query resolution, we also have the help of a chatbot. The UI provides an interactive chatbot at the bottom right of the page. Then after this, we have the register page. This page displays a sign up form where all the inputs field have proper placeholders and labels and guiding textual clues such as errors which will be shown in red color. Then we have the login page which also has the same error and information cues for guiding the user. Then moving on to the next page, that is the About Us page. This page displays the company information in a compact form where the text has proper contrast and is also readable by a page reader for better accessibility. The information is also arranged in the cards for biggest sales and discounts that are provided on the products of Pipacart. Next is the browsing page. Upon searching any product, for example, a mobile phone over here, the top deals are displayed on the top for easy access to the user. We have provided flexibility to the user by providing filters based on brands, price, seller, and availability. For example, here the user has chosen Samsung as the brand, and the price range given is 10,000 to 20,000. So accordingly, the products are displayed. The product information is displayed in the form of a card as shown. The prices are displayed in a larger and bold font, and the newer products are also highlighted over here with a new tag. For detailed description and further customizations, the user can click on the card and go to the product page. So now we see the product page over here. In the product page, easily perceivable icons and colors are used. They have been chosen to display vital information regarding the product. The back color, screen size, and the quantity can be customized using appropriate form control elements as shown here. As and when the user adds a product to the cart, the number is displayed over the number of products that has already been added is displayed over here on the nav bar. Below the product description, below the product, the description, seller, and warranty information are also shown. Further ratings and customer reviews have also been shown to help the user to make proper purchasing decisions. Then similar products and recommended items are also shown with the help of pagination. After choosing a product, we will go to the My Orders page. Here, the user can view their past orders, ongoing orders, and cancelled orders. The page provides breadcrumb navigation from accounts to orders. And then the order categories are displayed in the form. Tab navigation is given where the current tab is being highlighted. Over here, the orders is being highlighted. We have other tab options here like buy again, open orders, digital orders, cancelled orders, etc. The user has the option to view orders from a certain period of time by choosing from this drop down. For example, here it is past 6 months. The user can also choose to review their orders, view the details, or choose to buy the same product again. The user can also write a review about the product that they have purchased. Next, moving on to the cart. So there are three stages for this. First will be shopping cart items. You can see the cart and verify, and then payment options, and finally confirm order. So here for shopping cart items, the cart displays all the products that have been added by the user. The page displays a stepwise and labeled navigation as we can see over here for the checkout stage. In the first stage, the user can view the cart details, the cart total, or remove the products and then proceed to the next stage. So this is the next stage, that is the payment options. Coming to payment option stage, the page provides multiple payment options to the user, where the user can select a radio button corresponding to the option, and then they can proceed to place their order. Then in the last confirm order page, this is the last stage of checkout. The user is assured of their order placed by showing a check icon. The user can also view the expected delivery date highlighted in bold over here, or view the summary of their orders by clicking on your orders hyperlink over here. The user can also choose to continue browsing by clicking on the return to store button. Lastly, this is the merchant page. So our site provides a customizable account to the merchants where they can view or edit their contact information and their product inventory. So the page provides multiple navigation level. On the first level, the merchant can view the home page, company information, product information, etc. The merchant can view the dashboard, the daily orders placed by users, customers, delivery boys, promotions and reports, etc. Finally, the user can also edit the information by clicking on the edit profile and entering into the labeled fields, some of which have icons, cues, etc. Thank you.